how to create a Stripe payment link. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to create up a payment link. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. For that, what we can do is we can just go over and create a payment link to accept payments without building a website. So once you're in Stripe, go ahead and go to the left menu on your hand and click on the payment link option from the shortcut or from this product page and select payment links. And that should open up the space right here. Now here we can look out for the option called create payment link. Click on this plus option for that. That should head us to another page where we can select up an existing product or create a new product with product name, price, and currency. So enter up a product. Just go over and add up a product here. After that, your description. Go ahead and provide in a description of your product, your image as well, and more options such as pricing, etc. After that, just go over and there are optional settings as well. You can look out for those, allowing multiple quantities, collecting customer email or address, adding tags plus shipping, and click on this option called add product and go ahead and add it up. And once you've done that, you will be finding an option of creating a link, which should be in the top right corner. So click on this option called create link, and Stripe should generate a URL. You can share via WhatsApp, website, social media, etc. You can look out for this URL right here. You can just go and copy and paste this URL and share it. And when customers open up the link, they will be seeing a secure Stripe checkout page to complete other payment, and no coding is required. Works on mobile and desktop, accepts the cards, wallets, and local payment methods. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.